All right. Check them out. CO2 cartridges. These ones are made by Pro Bike Tools. These are a great item to pick up, and an inflator. If you go mountain biking or road biking at all, you know, these are great to keep in your pack, in your kit. They don't add a ton of weight. I mean, this is just a couple of grams. It is filled with 16 grams and is filled with CO2. These will work with most inflators. That's got the 24 TPI, I think it's like 3/8 of an inch threading on this. So again, compatible with so many different ones. And this is designed to fill up your road tires in seconds, up to 100 PSI, or if you have a mountain bike, this will hit about 40 PSI in just a few seconds as well. These are great just to keep with you as just an emergency field thing, so that you're not stuck on the side of the road waiting for the kindness of a stranger to stop by and to help you out. Look, if you're looking for replacement cartridges for your bike tire inflator, I think these are the way to go. Check them out. They're made by Pro Bike Tools. Keep them on hand. They are phenomenal.